Located between Shanghai and Tokyo, Kitakyushu's close proximity to other Asian countries has long been a factor in its development as a strategic transport hub. It is the second largest city in Kyushu, with a population of about 1 million and a GDP of approximately 3.7 trillion yen. These favorable geographical conditions have led to Kitakyushu's development as a gateway to Asia and a key industrial base. Kitakyushu shares a special connection with 6 sister and friendship cities around the world. Kitakyushu has also built a close network with cities in Asia as host to almost 10,000 trainees from 166 countries and regions, and with missions of over 200 experts to 25 countries, mainly in the fields of environment, water, and sewage. Recognized for its advantages in terms of proximity to other Asian countries, as well as a low incidence of natural disasters, Kitakyushu is a prime location for an array of companies, including those in the manufacturing industry. With their head offices located in Kitakyushu, top Japanese competitors in the global market, such as Yaskawa Electric, Toto, and Zending, have put down roots here in the city. The Kitakyushu Science and Research Park is host to a concentration of national, public, and private universities and research institutes in science and technology, all located on the same campus. Here, industria and academia collaborate on research, bringing those outcomes to life. Kitakyushu is exceptionally well situated, with unrivaled access to land, sea, and air transport, and a concentration of innovative logistics infrastructure. With its doors open to Asia, Kitakyushu is also engaged in a variety of initiatives as an environmentally advanced city. Kitakyushu's aspirations as an environmentally advanced city are grounded in its history of overcoming pollution. Once the cornerstone of Kitakyushu's growth, the steel, heavy, and chemical industries developed rapidly, causing a destructive level of air and other types of pollution. Kitakyushu's triumphant success in overcoming pollution, the direct result of initiatives driven by civic groups in partnership with companies and the local government, has proven to be a major asset for the city. The technologies, expertise, and partnerships developed throughout this process of overcoming pollution are now being mobilized to promote international environmental cooperation, primarily with Asia, to improve the environment. Kitakyushu has also taken on the challenge of creating a sound materials cycle society early on with the development of exceptional social systems, including Kitakyushu Ecotown, one of Japan's leading resource recycling bases. Kitakyushu aims to export its experiences as a green city through the Kitakyushu Asian Center for Low Carbon Society to meet the needs of other cities in Asia, such as Surabaya in Indonesia and Haiphong in Vietnam. International technical cooperation in the water and sewage sector is also a classic example of Kitakyushu's approach to international cooperation. The miracle of Phnom Penh is a striking example of how Kitakyushu has deployed its water and sewage technology overseas. Technical assistance from Kitakyushu proved to be successful in the early detection of leaks and lower incidences of water theft in Phnom Penh, resulting in a 24-hour supply of potable water. Kitakyushu is also building on partnerships between the public and private sector in the development and deployment of its water business overseas. In Vietnam, the city was involved in the construction of a water purification plant, which adopted Kitakyushu's original advanced water purification technology, known as UBCF. In Cambodia, Kitakyushu has also been awarded a contract to build Phnom Penh's very first public sewage treatment plant. The city's very own history has been received to national and international acclaim as a study in anticipating the principles of the SDGs. Kitakyushu was selected by OECD in June 2011 as Asia's first green growth model city, together with Paris, Chicago, and Stockholm. In April 2018, Kitakyushu was selected by OECD as the first SDGs model city in Asia. With the aim of achieving net zero greenhouse gas emissions by 2050, Kitakyushu has declared its intention to become a zero-carbon city, setting a target of reducing greenhouse gas emissions by more than 47% by 2030. Specifically, this includes efforts to ensure that 100% of the electricity used in public facilities in the city is generated from local, renewable energy sources by 2025. Kitakyushu has placed strong focus on the Green Energy Port Hibiki project since 2011 to create a comprehensive base for wind power industries, utilizing the port infrastructure and expansive industrial land in the Hibiki-Nara area of Wakamatsu Ward. This project aims to boost the economy by concentrating offshore wind power industries, an important player in renewable energy, in the Hibiki-Nara area, and creating opportunities for local companies to be involved. Construction will begin in fiscal 2022 on the largest offshore wind farm in western Japan, which will consist of 25 9.5 megawatt wind turbines that, at 200 meters high, will be the tallest in Japan. The wind farm is slated to start operation by fiscal 2025. For an industrial city like Kitakyushu, hydrogen is an important source of energy in sectors that are difficult to electrify. Kitakyushu is carrying out demonstrations on technology using hydrogen pipelines installed in the city, producing and supplying CO2-free hydrogen using multiple sources of renewable energy, and promoting the use of fuel cell vehicles and hydrogen stations. This next segment offers an introduction to Kitakyushu's efforts to transform itself into a logistics hub. Kitakyushu is embarking on a path to transform Kitakyushu Airport into a logistics hub for Kyushu and Western Chugoku. Currently, 4 round-trip international cargo flights are operated to and from Incheon weekly, opening the door for transport to all parts of the world via the Incheon hub. The combination sea and air transport feature of this maritime airport can be used to meet the transport needs of all types of cargo, including satellites. Kitakyushu is also mounting efforts to construct a 3,000-meter runway in the near future that will enable direct flights to North America and Europe. New international cargo sheds are also being built to house the rapidly increasing volume of air cargo. Kitakyushu also has 2 container terminals at Tachinoura and Hibiki that serve as bases for international maritime cargo. A number of container vessels, mainly destined for Asia, are also in regular service. The port of Kitakyushu, which has one of the largest ferry terminals in western Japan, plays both a major role in maritime logistics, connecting Kyushu with the Kanto, Kansai, and Shikoku areas, and as an important hub for coastal shipping. This next segment will provide an overview of Kitakyushu's features in relation to MICE, or Meetings, Incentives, Conferences, and Exhibitions. The Kitakyushu International Convention Zone is directly connected to Kokura Station, the main railway station in the city. With a concentration of international conference and exhibition centers and hotels, the zone is the destination of choice for a number of international conferences because of the convenience it offers. Some of the more prominent events that have been held in this zone include the G7 Kitakyushu Energy Ministerial Meeting in May 2016, and the Global Offshore Wind Summit 2021 held in October. In October 2021, Kitakyushu hosted both the Artistic and Rhythmic Gymnastics World Championships together for the first time ever, drawing attention from around the world. Kitakyushu has also hosted training camps for international level sporting events, such as the Rugby World Cup in 2019 and the Tokyo 2020 Olympic and Paralympic Games, and continues to actively promote itself as a destination for international sporting events. This final segment offers a guide to tourist sites throughout the city. Kitakyushu lies amid the deep blue sea and the lush green mountains, a short distance away from the rich beauty of nature. Located in the city center, Kokoda Castle and Kokoda Castle Garden stand as reminders of the city's rich history and are popular tourist attractions in every season. From the heights of Mount Sarakura, visitors are treated to an impressive view that has been celebrated as one of Japan's newest top 3 night views. Blessed with a wealth of food from the sea and mountains, Kitakyushu's appeal also lies in its rich and enjoyable food culture. Kitakyushu will continue to set in motion pioneering and innovative actions to improve the environment and help the world resolve diverse challenges. Steadfast in its commitment to achieve the SDGs as a trusted green growth city, resplendent with true wealth and ready to extend a hand to the world.